Hi, I'm Kat from Kitty Badhands, and I'm one of the authors from Stash Publishing's upcoming book, Reclaimed Quilts. Sew modern clothing and accessories from Vintage Textiles. Whether you've been wanting to make a quilt coat of your own or you want to warm up with one of our accessory pieces, our book includes 10 exciting projects that are going to teach you how to make a complete wardrobe for yourself that's one of a kind, sustainable, and guaranteed to turn heads. Today, I'm going to teach you our technique for creating an elastic waistband. If you've ever felt the frustration of trying to guide an elastic through a waistband with a safety pin, just pushing and scrunching, then our technique is definitely for you. So I'm just going to jump right in with our June pants project, which is in the book. And I'm going to start from the point where we've sewn our elastic together to make a loop. And we've taken our waistband pieces, we've sewn them together at the ends, we folded it in half lengthwise, and we've ironed it to make a nice crease that we're gonna follow along the crease in the next step at the sewing machine. You're gonna take your elastic and you're gonna line it up along the crease of your waistband, just like so, and fold over your waistband so that it comes back over the elastic. Begin to sew your waistband together. Take a moment to make sure that you're not catching the elastic in your stitches. You want it to be able to move freely within the waistband. You're gonna get to the point where you're going to need to push your waistband up along the elastic in order to continue sewing. So you're just gonna wanna hold the elastic with your hand and push that fabric up, scrunching it as much as you can. Once you've scrunched, now you can get back to continuing to sew the elastic inside the waistband. You're going to want to repeat the steps of scrunching your waistband up along the elastic and then continuing to sew, probably several times before you're able to finally make it back to the beginning of where you started on the waistband. Once you're done sewing the waistband together, you're going to want to take some time to adjust the waistband fabric around the elastic and even out all that scrunching that you've done so that it's even all the way around. Starting at the center of your waistband, you're going to want to pull the waistband completely taut and then sew all the way around the waistband until you come back to the beginning. This step ensures that your elastic doesn't become twisted within the waistband. I like to add 2 more lines of stitching throughout my waistband just for the visual effect. Your waistband is now complete. Feel free to add it to the pants, skirt, or shorts of any project. Thanks so much for following along with our elastic waistband tutorial. I hope they help you complete your June pants with ease and let you know that sewing an elastic waistband can be fun. I've got so many other tips, tricks, pattern hacks, and amazing pieces of clothing that you can sew along with us in our book that comes out this summer. So stay tuned and thank you so much.